Like it's a 2-foot by 4-foot tile.
And then we got marble. Another huge issue with this installation.
Nice crack that goes all over.
Tiles.
They're all loose. Okay, so right now I'm in Siena, Italy, and I'm staying in a nice hotel. So I'll show you the bathroom here. Now at first glance it looks nice, it looks good, and it is nice, and it is, you know, very nice bathroom. However, because I'm in the tile industry, I can't help but see all the problems with the tile. So let's take a look. So this is the tile. It looks like it's a 2-foot by 4-foot tile. And it goes all the way through the bathroom here, and then we've got marble on the shower walls. So, number one, so what is the first thing that I see here that is not right? Well, the tiles are being butted up against each other, which is a problem, because these hotel rooms are very well temperature controlled. They don't really range too much in temperature. It's probably not going to be a big issue as far as expansion and contraction because it's climate controlled. However, there is another huge issue with this installation that I'm going to show you, that if this is just a random room that I'm in, then I'm going to guess that pretty much all the rooms are going to have more or less the same problem. And let's just take a look. Let's see what's going on. So as you can see, these are nice big tiles, and when you get down close and look at it close, you can see there's grout missing in the corner here. And then here is a nice, I don't know if you can see that,
Nice crack that goes all the way to that corner.
and well, you might say it might be an isolated tile that cracked, but no, these are all in danger of cracking, because if you tap on these tiles, they're all hollow, they're all loose. So this could be a really big issue for the hotel. Next, so we go into the bathroom, and that's a very nice shower. You know, it's decently executed, but there are some issues. Again, there's no grout line over here. Now, we're in Italy, they might have different standards, I don't know. But in America, this is an issue. So, and then you can see the light is up there. Oh, look, there's a little bit of mildew up there. Anyway, so we got a lot of lippage here, and because of, that's actually pretty bad, that lippage. And you know, there's a good amount of lippage all the way around. But you know, it's a hotel, you don't expect to have the best installation, you know, because it's commercial installation. But then here, they rounded the marble here and created a bullnose over here and a bullnose over here. But they skipped this side here. They just left a raw edge. It doesn't even look like they stoned the edge there. And then over here, and then they just painted over it. You can see it in the mirror there. Just a raw edge, then painted over it. This is, I don't know if this is good work for Italy or if it's not good work, but it's not good work in American standards. So I guess no matter where you go, you're going to get quality work, and you're going to get mid-range work, and you're going to get very poor work. Well, so how would I rate this bathroom? I don't know. I'll leave it up to you guys to figure that out. But could have been a lot better. So in case you're wondering, you might think it's just this room. My brother's in the room right next door. Let's go take a look. Same floor, same shower. This seems like it's a little better condition, but if you get down, they're all loose. So just need to drop something on here, it's gonna crack. Bathroom might be a little bit better as far as lippage, but it still has its share of lippage. It seems like it's just the installation method they use here. Well, for this particular builder, the installation method that he used.